Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, guys, I'm basically, you know what I mean, I get over and over. People always ask me, oh, I cook pasta, I know I do tuna and all these things. Today, I just want to quickly share one of my recipe of the best way for you guys to cook pasta at home. I got a bag of pasta which is 500 gram right here, and this is a twist pasta, and I'm gonna show you how to cook your twist pasta at home. Very easy and simple, guys. As you can see, look at that. Very easy, simple way for you to cook your pasta at home. Alright, so this is the way how you're going to do it. When you're gonna cook pasta or any kind of pasta, the best thing is for make the water start to boil like this. The more water in the pot is better for the pasta. Alright, guys, so basically I'm gonna cook 500 grams of pasta, and I'm going to fill my pot with water. And what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna make the water start to boil up. That's the first thing. So next, I'm going to put a pinch of salt in the water, not too much. You don't have to put salt in your water, but you know, just to cook the pasta with a little bit of flavor and taste. And then second thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, roughly about a tablespoon. And then second thing is put the pasta in. And as I said, the more water you have in the pot is the better for you. And that's what I'm doing at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be covering this and allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright? At a high temperature. Nice and lovely. So basically, I make the pasta keep boiling like this over the last 10 minutes. So as you can see, let's take out one and try. Almost ready. So as I said, until you're cooking the pasta, the more water you have in the pasta is the better for it. Yeah, and a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, good to go. Make the water start to boil first, and that's it. Cover it, and we're just gonna give it another 7 more minutes. So yeah, good to go. 7 more minutes and we're really good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is finished now. The pasta is cooked. And all I'm going to do is pour it off the water. Alright? Make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. The best way how to cook pasta is to make the water start to boil up. More water in the pot, and it's the best way of that. Alright? Cook it off with a pinch of salt, a little bit of oil. Good to go. Nice and lovely. So just strain off the pasta in the sink, and that's it so far, guys. Hopefully you just learn all the best way to cook pasta at home, and you can serve this with anything you like to serve it with. You know what I mean? You can go with tuna, corned beef, mackerel, whatever you like to serve it with. So enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo. As I said, the pasta doesn't take long to cook, 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 16 minutes at least. Once the pasta cook a little soft, don't overcook your pasta, it's good to go. And the best way is to cook it with a lot of water in the pot and make the water start to boil first. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.